me. Ain't no place in the world quite like the D. And this is my ODE to the city of cities. Beautiful downtown, but the outside's pretty. Stand up.
Hello, Detroit. You've got... Good morning, SHEA Show gang. You probably said, why are you talking? Sometimes I just want to relax and just enjoy the ride. That's what I want you guys to do. Just relax and just enjoy the ride. You don't have to talk all the time. Yeah, I know what I sound like. Okay, the day is, I forgot what the damn day is. It's the 19th July or somewhere around there. Hold on. Well, by the time I post the video, you'll know what day it is. There's a house on the auction site, auction.com. I go on auction.com and look at houses all the time, bid on stuff. And there's one coming up right here, about 3 blocks from my office. And they usually didn't tell you what the reserve was, but the reserve on this house is $51,000. So you get to $51,000, they met the reserve on this house. So I seen it. When I seen the pictures, I said, I know where this house is. Let me see. It's right here on this street right here. When I seen the Davidson in one of the pictures, I said, I know exactly where it is. Because we're on Davidson. Right there. $51,000. That's the reserve is on this house. So here's the street. So houses now, rent should be in the neighborhood starting off at $1,200–1,300 a month. So just keep that in mind. So if you get that house for, let's say you get the house for $51,000, well, that's not bad rent. $1,300 a month. Remember, I own 3 houses right on the next block, and 2 the block past that one too. Yeah. And Doc's house is right around the corner. Let's see. Hey, what's up, bro? Yeah, right on. Ah, we got the plumber here. Good. You finish up things that he need to finish up over here. To the side or something. Yeah, he had to. Let's go to the side. Yeah, go over that door. Hey, young man, how you doing?
What's happening, man?
Oh, you greasing back, boy. Eating all them chicken wings.
Yeah, man. Hungry.
Hey, ain't nothing wrong with that, bro. We got to eat.
How you been doing?
I can't complain. Just checking in my guys on the back. Okay. See you guys over here now. Where Dale?
In the back.
On the back? Okay. What's up?
What's going on?
You're not gonna get past that door.
This door?
I mean, you'll get past it, but it's all blocked off from the inside, so you won't be able to.
Oh yeah. I'm just taking this off so I can go open it up from the
Got you,
inside, so I can go through the base instead of going all the way up. And
Got you.
You all right?
Oh yeah, just checking on my guys back here.
Yeah, they throw it down.
Oh yeah, them boys ain't messing around, man.
Going down. They look good. I was wondering how you was gonna do it.
Yep, that's how I did it.
Hey, that's how you did it. Huh?
Yep, cause you know how bad you remember what it used to look like.
Yeah, it look good. They threw that on there.
Oh yeah, when you get the right people involved, just like you know what happens.
Key still over there. Key still in the same spot.
Who?
Key.
Yeah.
Cool, get it.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
How are you?
Hey, what's going on, man? You all right?
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing, buddy? That's right. Shake my hand, I'll kill you. Oh, ooh, that look good.
That look good. Damn.
Wow. That look good, man.
More better.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Good. Oh, wow. Oh, I see you took the step out. Okay.
Yeah.
Got to redo that.
I fixed right now I fixed the tank, but I put another coat, for cover everything.
Yeah. Look good, man.
Almost, I think it's everything is like new one.
Yeah. Come a long way from what it used to be. Shut up, dog. That big old dog over there.
Yeah.
You got a dog?
Yeah.
You have a dog like that?
Yeah, it's different, but I have a sheep or German.
Oh, yeah?
But it's bigger.
They're bigger than that?
Not, I think it's same like this, but it's like sheep or German.
Okay.
First,
This is nice. So you're going to put another coat down here?
yeah.
How you getting down there?
So we need it dry, if we put another coat, something like the front, you see.
Yeah,
so make
yeah.
Everything like new one.
Okay. What happened to the board? You took it off?
Yeah, I take it out because I clean it up, but I put it back. Don't
Oh,
worry.
gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay.
I take it out, for clean everything and for put a coat,
Right.
cover and measure cover.
Okay, good. I wonder where it was.
Yeah,
Oh, it's back
I
there.
got it right here, and I put it back before we leave it.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Okay. It look good, man.
Thank you.
How long gonna take for this to dry? That
I think like maybe like 3-4 hours.
okay.
And I don't know if I can put the steps today.
Okay. That's fine. You got this far, however long it take you. I mean, we're almost there. Yeah.
It depends, if everything is right, I can do it, but I know I come back.
Right.
Yeah, I think like 80% is ready.
Okay. Good deal. It looks good, man. It looks real good. Doing a good job.
No, thank you. We try and
Damn good job. Nobody gonna fall in here. Nice and sturdy.
Yeah, I put another, I put something like I had a pieces lumber, for putting right here for
Oh, going across, yeah.
something like this.
Yeah. Across, okay, yeah, make it look good.
Yes, looks more better and keep more strong,
Yeah. Okay. Good job.
No, thank you, Mr. Luke.
Okay, then I'll talk to you later. Just want to see what you guys was doing. And check on these other guys now. He tearing that chicken up in there. Yes, sir. You can tell that guy come from the south. He got grease all over his mouth and hands, just like me. He ain't breathing. He's not breathing. That's when you know somebody enjoying their food. He inhaling that shit. Melvin, I think you said you want to see the inside of this place. I thought I got several videos in here. You probably just didn't see it. Probably just didn't see it. You gotta remember the place used to look like. It was totally gutted. It was totally gutted. Totally gutted. Just look back at the earlier videos. You said something about the vents, y'all. The vents is in. Gonna need some more cabinets though. These two cabinets here ain't gonna get it. Gotta have some more cabinets here. Like I said, this place come a long way. If you guys been following me from the beginning, we've been working on this place for over a year. That's how bad this place was. Over a year been working on this place. This wasn't no 3 or 4 month project. No question about that. 5, 6 months, nope. Over a little bit over a year. Basement needs to be cleaned out, obviously. I tell you, one thing I like about this camera versus my other GoPro, this is not a GoPro. This is a different camera. That GoPro is a good camera, but like right now, there's not a lot of lighting down here. So with the GoPro, you won't be able to see what you're seeing right now. But this camera, when you hit dark spots, it just lights up. Okay, where's the water coming from? Where's this water coming from? Is it that before? It must be coming out of here. Okay, what the plumber's going to do, we're running some lines over. We're going to put a wash tub right around here for a wash tub, and we're going to have to put a 220 line in for electric dryer. So that's what the plumber's getting ready to do.
¿Cuánto va a salir? ¿Aquí no va a salir nada o va a ir a...? Sí.
Vamos a hacer esto.
You got to remember, there used to be an enclosure here. And Angry L tore that down, and we had to put that in like 2 dumpsters. Yeah, they did a good job. So we had to clean up all. We had to get all the old brick from the old videos you guys seen. All that had to come out. All that had to come out. So all this is new. The top, everything. So we had to build this up because we didn't want nobody to fall. If they was back here for whatever reason, we didn't want them to have to fall.
Ahí está, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Déjenme marcar con el lápiz. No, quería comprobar.
¿Puedo cortar el rayo?
Hi, Mr. Chris, how are you? Sofía, ¿ya estás viendo? ¿Qué estás haciendo? Ok, sí. Qué buena computadora busca el nombre y de ahí se llama Christopher. Mándale.
I'm trying to remember, where's that water coming from?
Out of the ground.
Really?
Remember we was telling you the water's under this house?
Yeah.
But that's staying wet. That's staying wet. It's coming up. There's water up underneath this house. There's water going up underneath this ground somewhere. And it ain't raining.
I know it.
It haven't rained. So I don't know. Is it over here? But there ain't no more water in this hole over here.
There's water in this hole right here. There's water in this hole right here.
There's water in there?
Right here. It's bubbling right now.
Maybe the main drain probably need to be snaked out.
I'm thinking so.
Main drain probably, where the fuck is it at though?
The main drain?
Man, shit was back here. At the back of the house.
See this? See that water just up and down right here?
Yeah, the main drain probably clogged. So where the fuck is it at?
The main drain? This is drain out there. We can
No, we gotta clean the
clean out.
the house. To clean out for inside the house. There you go. I see it.
You see it?
Yeah. Main drain needs to be snaked out.
All right.
I'll get my guy over here and snake it.
Okay. Well, let's get that done too. As soon as you're done, I'm gonna have somebody come down here and clean this damn basement up.
Let's hope we don't get broke. Don't need to have to take that trap out.
Well, hopefully not. But you know, these houses have been
It's
this
all
house.
over. You've known it broke.
You know, these houses been sitting empty for over 15, 20 years, man.
Oh,
So,
shit, more than that.
well, yeah,
Oh, you're talking about sitting for 250
Yeah,
years?
yeah. It's a land bank house.
Yeah, so yeah, we go. Hopefully it don't need, if it can clear, hopefully it can clear, and it don't need to be, the trap need to be took out.
Right.
And if it do need, hopefully it can clear it, get it back, clear it out to the alley. Then he be okay. Even if that's broke, he can fix that. But when you go back there, you gotta dig. So hopefully when he come on my phone, I'm gonna call him now.
Right.
We got power, and we got no power now.
Who don't have no power?
Well, we got
You got lights. You got lights down here, so we got power.
You might get one of those things put aside, put a light bulb to get power. A plug. We ain't got no plug.
You don't think that's hot?
No, I don't think it is. It wired up. Oh yeah, it's wired up.
Yeah.
Man, I'm just not knowing we got power.
Yeah, we got power.
So remember we working at the dock.
Yeah, because the breaker was off.
Oh, that's all it was?
The breaker was off.
I'm in here like a motherfucking, like a
Yeah, I wondered. I mean, you don't no power. We gotta get a nut light down here.
You gotta have a power to run that motherfucker. I know this motherfucker ain't still out there eating. See what that goes?
He had, I don't know, he had about 30 pieces of chicken sitting on his lap.
That motherfucker eat.
He had a lot of chicken.
It won't take a breath until he finish off.
He had a lot of chicken wings out there. I looked at it. I said, "Hey, what's up, man?" He taking his time eating.
Yeah, let him go ahead. He go take all the time you want.
Take all the time you want.
All the time you want. I don't even fuss with him.
Right.
I run my blood pressure.
No.
Because when it's time to pay,
You're right.
don't start talking.
Don't be looking crazy when it's time to get paid now.
Yeah, that's all.
Go look for one of them chicken bones you done demolish. Yeah, dryer gonna go over. We're gonna put a 220 line in over there.
Pop this right here. Okay, come across from the water lines down. Boil it right over here. That damn smoke killing me, boy. I mean, shit.
Yeah, the wildfire stuff
I
from
can't take it. I thought when you're younger, you know, you can run through that shit. That shit ain't nothing. Shit. You know,
that shit was bothering you,
that
wasn't
shit
it?
was fucking me up. You was taking my energy, my chest hurt, motherfucking eyes burning. I said, I can't do it. I tried.
I know you did. I know you did.
You know, I don't like missing no money. I tried though. I just couldn't do it. I said, fuck it. I said, I get to everybody when I get to. Better late than never.
That's right. That's right. Well, I was waiting on you, so it's always I can wait on you anyway, so it doesn't matter. I'm waiting on you anyway. Let me head to my office. I got a little work to do there. When you guys doing work, I can go complete my work. How long you gonna be here today?
This shouldn't take too long. A few hours.
Okay.
I'm keeping it in my snake this dragon out.
Yeah, get that happening while you're here. You finished eating that chicken? All right then. Well, we know he finished eating. Okay. All right, let's get ready to head on in. Let's see, hold on. Let me get this right. July 20th. Okay, July 20th. I think I said earlier than the 19th or something, but I know for a fact what it is now. July 20th, 2026. for sale. I see lockbox on there. Oh, let me go back and turn around and see. Let me put the address in. The house might be for sale. Usually things in my neighborhood come up for sale. I like to try to buy. And I see a lockbox on both doors, so that's a sign. Hey, what's up? Hey, he right on. That's sold on the road. Look at that address. That's a 2-family or 3-family too? Oh yeah. What street is this? This is Santa Rosa, and that's 12,032. Let me see. I got the address in my head. 12,032. Let me see something real quick. Oh, I got this address in my head. Hold on. Well, it's not showing us for sale. I see lockbox on there. It sold for $115,000 in 2022. I just looked it up. Never know. I'm gonna call my realtor. Sometime it could be some type of pocket listing where they didn't want it on the MLS just yet. So I'm gonna ask my realtor about it. It's in the right neighborhood, that's for certain. For me, it is. Hey, Robert, what's up, buddy? Yes. They out there drinking, the police messing with them because they out there openly drinking beer. They know that's what they do in the hood. They do. Those cats, this is what they do every summer. They sit there, they don't bother nobody. They sit there, congregate, drink their little beer. A lot of police see them doing that and don't mess with them at all. They're just old school cats just sitting there having a good time. Not bothering nobody. So she must be new. Trying to make a name for herself in the hood. Alright, this is SHEA from the SHEA Show, and stay tuned. We'll see you at the next location.